Oh guys, today I got a 2011 to 13 Chevy GMC Sierra. I'm gonna be removing this using 7mm. I'm gonna show you how to get the backup camera using the factory. Let's see if I got the right key. So basically I got reverse. Oh, I gotta start it first. So when you start it, you put on reverse. There you go, right there. But there's no screen, so we're gonna show you how to do that. By the time I'm gonna basically show you, there's a video if you need help on this one. All you do need one of the tool. It's called door trim remover tool. I will link it below right there. Just pry it out, starting from here, and it's basically just clip looking like this. So we'll take that out, and then we'll take 7mm right here. Of course, you want to take from the bottom down up here two, and then once you get that out, it should come right out. I'm holding one hand and one camera. So here's the previous install. So in my case, the customer's got its own this make by pack. I can link that below. It's already installed. So here's a purple white. That's for reverse wire. I can tap this to the reverse wire. It will work that way. And also I'm looking for the I hope this got it, a video input. Yeah, rear view camera right there. I'm gonna need this one right here. This is for JVC KWV830BT. So I am not 100%. I mean, any radio will say like this one right there. This is all you need, and then you also need the wire right there, the reverse wire here with this JVC. I'm gonna tap this green wire right here for the customer. This JVC, this green wire for video watching, you can tap it to the black wire, it will work. I'm looking for a reverse wire in here. Oh, right here it is. This same color, guys. It's purple and white. So we're gonna attach that together to get it to work right here for the reverse. It's purple white. It will say reverse on here. We're gonna tap these two together, and then we're gonna run an RCA jack from the top. Remove this fuse panel out, pull it down, run the jack down here straight over there. 7mm right there. You can see that. You can just take a flat hat and pop it out. A lot of people don't have or doesn't have this grabber tool. You can get this from AutoZone. You basically push it through right down there. You see the holes down there, and then you just squeeze this together, and it'll open up, and then just put the wire down here, and you'll be able to grab them. Just grab it, pull like so. Now that RCA jack will go to that reverse rear view camera right here. It say reverse. Recommend tape them, that way it's not gonna come out or come loose. And then now I'm gonna put the purple white to that purple white right there. Now if you don't have this, you need to run a wire. I will show you at the BCM how to plug that wire to. Now over here you want to squeeze this outward right here. Squeeze it out, this outward, and you'll be able to reach this. I'm gonna pull this wire. I'm gonna take a blade and shave this insulation off. Once you shave it, you'll see this right there that wrapped together with this aluminum foil. Now you cut the jacks. Oh, here it is. I hooked it up. I got the black wire to the white. White, it should be a positive, and then the blue, dark blue wire is a negative. So I'm gonna show you how to test this, which one's positive jack and which one's negative jack. And then, all right, how to test to see which one is positive, which one is negative. This is positive, this is negative right here. So we're gonna take a blade, we're gonna screw it down a little bit and pull. Alright, once you got that, just take your fingernail and pull it out. Cut this end right there. We're gonna, every color of the jack is different, made by a different company. So what I'm doing, if you got, I mean, I got a stripper, so we can just go like this. It's much easier. And then what you want to do, you want to turn this on to continuity. So when I hit the right spot, if it touch each other, hear that noise? So what are we gonna do? We're gonna test, see if it's black or white is positive. So we're gonna test on white. So that's not it. See that? This and this. See, it's not it. So it's black one then. See that noise? So black is positive right here. And that's how you tell if it's positive or negative. That's it. Thanks for watching.